Didn't take a video before.
No.
I wish I did, because many people, they ask me what looks like to follow up when you have a good chunk of gray.
Yeah.
And how you keep up with this.
Yeah.
So basically when you walked in, we had this much of completely natural and dark. Whenever you start introducing soft highlight together with your base, you're not eliminating your base color.
Yeah.
And that's where the trick is. Because most of the people, they do this mistake. They either do a lot of coloring or a lot of highlight, and soon you eliminate all your natural, bam, that's where the problem happens with their growth. So what I like to do, I leave 70% of the natural, and I introduce just enough to hide it or to take the attention away from it, not to hide it. Especially if you look at the front, you see here, your gray is still everywhere.
Yeah.
It just looks more blonder and more nicer because you have more gray, more silver, I would say. The same thing will happen at the top. From now on, the more silver gray you get, your blonde will get even better and better.
Brilliant.
So going with this technique farther to the future, your hair will just get better.
Brilliant.
As the color will get better, as the maintenance will be lower maintenance, you're gonna tell me after 4 months when you come back, you know what? I don't need to come back, but I just came back because it's been a while. That's seriously. The front, because the hair grows very slow, because this is what people get to see more of where they have to touch up the color.
Yeah.
But the front grows very slow.
Yeah.
And because at the front you have growing silver coming through, which means you're gonna tell me after 4 months, I feel like it's just freshly done. You see my point?
Yeah.
Because you have silver still coming through without needing to do the color fresh. The treatment did the job, brought all the health back to the hair.
Yeah.
I gave you a bit of nice layers for the movement. I mean, you look stunning.
I love it. It's so beautiful. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I'll get you to stand up for a minute so we can capture it. Yes, over here. Turn. Look down, please. Let me capture the top. Slide it down. The other side. One more time. Beautiful. All right, that's it. I'll see you in 4 months.
That's amazing. Thank you so much.
Put your hand through, just do your own thing.
It's just beautiful. I love it. In 4 months, that's music to my ears.
Yeah. You look amazing. Thank you, darling.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thanks. That was a first.